Today I can present here to draw a diagram of brain. First of all, we can draw a semicircle. Semicircle. This, then it's happen. Then this at drawing angle at 90 degree. This is an angle of 90 degree. Then we can draw a very simple at the bottom of here. Here we can draw the structure like V. This is an structure of and V, small this. First of all we can draw the lining on this here. Then we draw a very small buckets, this type of. Here, then I can draw a line very small at below. Then I will here to complete a circle. Then from here I can draw this. Then first of all we can draw this is very tough. This is not a very tough diagram, but I can draw very slowly because I am so big person, but I can always do a hard work. Then I can draw the cerebrum at the bottom of at the part of brain. Small cerebrum. Very slowly, it's a cup like structure. It's a cup like structure. Then this. After this I can draw another semicircle at the bottom. First of all we can draw Then here I can draw another circle. Then we can slowly circle. Without any support I can draw this. Then I can draw a tree like structure from here. Then I can draw a tree like structure from here. After drawing a drill like structure, then covering a bucket of trees. Covering a bucket of trees. After then we can do same configuration of the tree on bottom of tree. After this, attach the line from here. After drawing a line, then we can attach this. Then we can draw a small is this. Then convert a line from here. Draw a line from here. After this, सब लोग बोलते हैं कि यहाँ पर बच्चे को बनाने में दिक्कत होता है, और ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है। यहाँ पर एस कैरेक्टर आप लोग यूज करिए, एस कैरेक्टर यूज करिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगा। दिस इज जस्ट एंड लाइक एस कैरेक्टर। आफ्टर दिस वी कैन convert a then from here after this I can draw another line at the bottom of semicircle. I can take a more time. Really sorry for this. After this, we can